Now, I'm actually going to do this again for you because I made one little mistake, and I'm going to show you what that is. So here's my beam. Here's my timber 100 by 75. So I was looking for an offset value to move it up above the ground finished floor level because that's the level that we're at. And the Z offset value, so I've added 75 onto that. Now, once I do that, I'm good to go. And I will stream around here, get these in place. And again, I'm just picking up, these will join together reasonably well if you just pick them up from that kind of position there. All right, now I'll pick them up here, and I want this one up as far as there. And the final one will go in from there into there. Right, escape, escape. Let's go into our section 3. Now, that's good. I've got my timbers sitting up quite nicely above the floor here. And you can see I'm just tidying things up a little bit here. If I go into a 3D and show you these now, there's my kind of framework for my floor to come in and sit on. So that looks really well, and I'm quite happy with that. So back to my ground floor. Now, so we're going to go in and put our floors in here. And so I'm going to do this a couple of different ways, but I'll show you the easy way first. So I'm into my architecture tab, and I'm into my floor, and I need to choose a floor here. And the obvious one I'm going to choose is the timber suspended floor. I'm going to edit this, and I'm going to duplicate it. Now, the reason I'm duplicating this is because we're going to put in a flooring in here. So rather than chipboard, I'm going to put in just a wood flooring. Okay. If you choose this one here and the transparency is anywhere but 0, that's where it should be 0. And I've got some vertical and horizontal stripes here going in there too. Okay, and I did say I was going to make this 175, and I think I'll stick with that. So that's my timber joist zone. Timber joist zone, okay? And it's not going to put the rafters or the joists in for me, but it's going to create a zone where I'm going to put those in. And I will go okay, and I'll go okay. Now, I'll just use my rectangular tool here, and I'm going to do this way here. So, and I'll pull that in as far as there. Now, have a look at this. It's got 2 lines here, and those 2 lines indicate the fact that the joists are running from east to west here. All right. So I'll just finish this out for you. Don't attach to that. And there is my, I'll go into my section 3 here now, and I'll show you my floor. Aha, look where it's sitting. Okay, because I did say it works from the finished floor level down. So we need to find out how high we need to raise this up, which is going to be 150, I do believe. So I would put in a 150 here and apply, and now it needs to go up a little bit higher. I'm going to use my align tool here. So I'm going to say to the top of my joist, align my floor. There you go. All right, now that's actually gone up. Let's see, let's pick this. It's gone up 272. All right, 272 in total. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that across here. I'll go back into my ground floor plan. I'll hit copy, and I'll check multiple, and I'll pick my corner here. And again, why am I doing that? It's because these units are going to come in kind of pre-made in one sense. Now I need to just adjust the middle one here. So it's a sketch, so I can change that to this, align that, and finish. And now I have my floors in, and I'm just going to go in to my floor plan here. I'm going to turn off the underlay. Now you get the floors there, section 3, and there's my 3 floors, which are heading in the right direction as well.